performing a simple photocopy with your Ricoh MP C4502 or 5502. First, place the paper face up in the document feeder. Select the copier option on the touchscreen. Here you can choose the options of auto colour select, full colour or black and white. This section lets you choose the paper size and tray, but for this example, auto paper select will be fine. This section gives you the option of selecting whether you want to print multiple single-sided pages into two-sided pages. Here, you can keep two-sided prints two-sided. This option lets you make a copy which prints two single-sided pages onto one. Or you can make a copy which prints multiple single-sided pages onto one. But for this example, we're just going to keep it on the first option. Here you can select what you're photocopying, be it text, photos, or them both together. Then, just press the Start button.